So, I want to show you guys something. This is the monthly report for last month, which was June 2025. Probably one of the busiest, but 29 videos. Almost one new video every day. Every month I create these reports for you guys because I think most people don't realize how much of a difference they've made here until you see the actual list on paper. Every one of these videos covers information that someone was looking for. Somebody desperately needed to know, and now they have it. 30-second solutions to things that took us hours or days to learn the first time. If you were a patron during that month, then you literally sponsored every single one of those videos. And when you look at those numbers and read the comments of all the people saying thank you for the information, I just want you to know that you made that happen. YouTube does not pay me very much at all. I've been very public and transparent about how much I make. If you want, you can find that video if you want to see. But my point is, a lot of our content is strictly educational and informational by nature. Sometimes we get lucky in views. But on average, most of our content is like little snippets of super specific information that only a small niche audience is looking for. Simply put, there really aren't a lot of people looking for how to use transparency materials. So I already know before I start working on that video, this isn't gonna go viral. It's not gonna have that many views, and I'll probably make less than $1 for the day of work it took for me to make. But for the 6,000 people who needed that information, we did it for them. And we saved them valuable time that they can now use making other cool stuff. And for me, that's the point. And that's why you guys here on Patreon are so incredibly important for me. You guys allow me to continue to make content about information that I believe is important for 3D artists to know, because the support that you guys bring each month basically ensures that I can pay for rent and some food, even when I know the video I'm about to make is not going to be very popular. And that's huge, because if I didn't have your support, I would have been forced to play by the algorithm, which rewards overreaction to drama, news, and bloated content that is specifically designed to extend views and doom scroll and steal as much of your time away from you as possible. Essentially, the algorithm rewards everything we stand against. Like, we do short, concise, non-controversial, clear, plain information with some lighthearted entertainment. That's it. And another big thing that the patrons allow me to do is protect me from the need to insert disruptive ads or 30-second monologues from sponsors that have nothing to do with our content. You guys are the reason that our videos don't contain scripted 60-second ads for mattresses in the middle of our 30-second video, just to make sure that our videos are no longer than they need to be. So patrons are a big deal for our channel. And if you happen to have some spare change that you can share, the perks associated with each tier can easily be found in the memberships tab. I won't use your time reading them all, but just know, no matter what level you choose, I am eternally grateful. And I'm sure that the people we help appreciate you just as much as I do. Thanks again for taking the time to drop by. And as always, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.